You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
Possible suspect on the west sidewalk, northbound Corbin from Prairie, approaching Plummer.
On what sidewalk? Northwest?
Right, 903, you passed him. And 803. He's going to be crossing over to the east side of Corbin. And look at that. All right, we'll make it a backup for these officers. He's not going to comply. Southbound Corbin towards Prairie on the east side, still riding the skateboard.
Air 10 is requesting.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Spread your fucking feet! Spread your feet!